Welcome to the 2021 school year here at Auburn High School. I'm Jackie Middleton. I am the Project Lead the Way Engineering and Robotics teacher here at Auburn High School. I want to talk you through a couple of introductory things for the engineering program. The engineering classes are from a company called Project Lead the Way. The goal of Project Lead the Way is to empower students to step into the role of an engineer and adopt that problem-solving mindset and go from a dreamer to a doer. You can look up and look at all the wonderful things about Project Lead the Way at PLTW.org. The classes that are offered here at Auburn High School that are Project Lead the Way are Introduction to Engineering Design, Principles of Engineering, Aerospace Engineering, and Digital Electronics. And I'll go through each one of those as we go through this video. The other two classes that I teach here at Auburn High School are Introduction to Robotics and Robotic Applications. So I'll start by talking about Introduction to Robotics and Robotic Applications. The goal of Introduction to Robotics and Robotic Application is to introduce students to mechanical systems, energy transfer, and automation. We do that through the platform of competition robotics. You can see this year's game, which is Vex Robotics Change Up. The goal is to play one big, gigantic tic-tac-toe game against another team. So you have two teams, red and blue. So this is going to be a lot of fun. We are going to be building and designing robots with our teams in this class. The beginning or the first intro level class for Project Lead the Way is called Introduction to Engineering Design. The goal of Introduction to Engineering Design is to introduce students to 3D CAD modeling and problem solving in the design process. You can see here we're going to be using the program SolidWorks. When the year is over, students will have the opportunity to test for a Career Readiness Indicator, or a CRI, which would be the Certified SolidWorks Associate. So you can see we use these CAD software programs to 3D print and make wonderful models. We have lots of fun projects and activities and things to 3D model this year. We're really looking forward to Introduction to Engineering Design. The next class that's offered is Principles of Engineering. I like to call Principles of Engineering a survey class. It's a survey of all the different types of engineering. So if you don't like one unit, trust me, the next week we're going to turn around and do something else. So we talk about mechanisms, structures, we talk about bridges, we talk about how to automate things. Overall, if you're really not sure what type of engineer you want to be, this is an excellent class for you. The two upper level classes in the Project Lead the Way engineering program are Aerospace Engineering and Digital Electronics. Aerospace Engineering is offered in the spring semester. We look at the concepts of aerospace design through airfoils and propulsion systems and building rockets. They're going to learn some orbital mechanics using some industry standard software, and we're going to have a lot of fun building and creating awesome things and launching them into the atmosphere. The last class I teach is Digital Electronics. Digital Electronics studies and uses electronic circuitry. We're going to be building circuits by hand and also online through a program called Multisim. We're also going to introduce the kids to how to use an Arduino and create your own electronic circuit. One of the things that we offer, because the robotics program is inside, the robotics and engineering program is inside career technical education here at Auburn High School, is I offer a career technical student association. And my student association is the Technology Student Association, or Engineering Club. The club fee is $20, and you can pay that on my school bucks. But the goal of the engineering club is to provide personal development, leadership, and career opportunities in STEM. We do a lot of intercurricular activities. We do competitions, we do community service, and we do some other related programs inside the TSA framework. The goal or the motto of TSA is learning to lead in a technical world. You are not required to join the engineering club, but we do strongly recommend you joining the engineering club because we have a lot of fun. We have a lot of exciting things coming this year. And you can check out actually what TSA is at tsaweb.org. Don't just do regular TSA. Do tsaweb.org. We have a wonderful student organization here led by some wonderful students. If you have questions about that, please send me an email. We'll also talk about clubs or the club in class the first couple of days. So to end, I'm Miss Middleton. My classroom is 1208 here at Auburn High School, and my lab or makerspace is 1206. So I have 2 big rooms for us to use. If you need to contact me throughout the school year, this is my school email. It's just jmiddleton@auburnschools.org. And the phone number here at Auburn High School is 887-2120. This is my 16th year in Auburn City Schools teaching. I've taught lots of different STEM classes here for Auburn Junior High School and Auburn High School. I have 2 degrees from Auburn University, one in biomedical science, and my second degree or my master's came from Auburn University. I am the 2019-2020 Secondary Teacher of the Year for the state of Alabama. I have a love for STEM education here in Auburn, and I want to provide to your students the best quality education and the best introduction to engineering that I possibly can. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me throughout the year if you have questions or concerns. I hope we have a wonderful year, and I'm looking forward to meeting your students as soon as possible. Have a great year. Thank you so much.